We came down from Delovoy metro station, and now we are entering the mall. The mall considered one from biggest shopping malls in Moscow. Just besides the metro station, so access is very easy. The mall has a wide range of brands. A good food court as well. Also has a musical mountain that has a show on every 30 minutes in the center. Enjoy, but you will need time to cover all. Afimall had a top-class atmosphere, with top shops and restaurants. It is a large mall with 6 floors. This is perhaps the biggest and one from best shopping mall in Moscow. Many well-known brand name stores with a wide range of merchandise at competitive prices. Cinema, supermarket and restaurants. You can spend hours here. Large and very modern. I recommend to go there, to enjoy a day inside, as the metro takes you right inside. If you are lucky, you may find shops with discounts from the world-class brands. The mall is big and ideal for shopping. Now we are going out to Moscow Business Center, and first we face will be the Federation Tower. Here we are. The Federation Tower. Thank you all for sharing us this tour, and hope meeting you soon in our next tour. Spasiba balchoy. How we go to the Afimall by metro. Step 1, take metro from any station on line 5. Line 5 is the circle line, and the color of the line is brown. Step 2, go out from metro at Kivskaya station and change line to line 4, the color of the line is light blue. Step 3, after one station is your destination. Go out from metro at Delovoy Tsentr station and follow signs. The Afimall is up the station.